Work continues on the 1984 Jeep J10 truck slowly but surely. I've had some fun events taking it out to different shows around Colorado and watching folks check it out and enjoy it. So far I've had a few more of my buddies at work take the truck for a spin, along with going out to various junkyards for more of the harder to find items that I'm looking still for the truck. The most recent item done on the Jeep has been the bumper. I was allowed to use the shop to get it welded on and learned how to make thicker and stronger brackets than the original brackets that were used on the truck to hold up the bumper rod and trailer hitch. The brackets now are a 1/4 inch plate versus 1/8 inch plate, and I do thank John and Chris for the advice as well as helping me get that bumper on. I plan to have the truck looking a bit more closer to the movie as time progresses, especially with our event coming up here in next May for the 26th anniversary. The Dorothy is still on my list. I'll eventually be putting some work into it here shortly, so stick with me here. I'll be probably posting some video updates on that on our channel here as well. I'd also like to thank everyone out there for helping me out. I wouldn't even gotten this far or even be part of the community without the extreme as well. So I'd like to give a shout out to every single one of you that has helped me along with my adventure. Thank you very, very much. It's very appreciated. At the end of this video, there will be a teaser coming up on one of our next adventures, seeing the Rio Grande Southern engine number 20 run on the Cumbres and Toltec, along with camping out and off-roading, just not with the Jeep yet. Ugh, dust. And this junkyard is nice. Should.
Tell you what, man, this one drives pretty good.
It is pretty nice. The bumps are crazy though.
It drives like an old truck.
Yes.
Sounds like an old Jeep.
Think about it. I should have threw the drone in the air. We could have just had the drone follow us.
Yeah.
Put a Photoshop a twister in the front.
Right? Okay, I see why you bought this thing. That's pretty cool.
I've always wanted one. Honest, it's a beautiful truck.
Yeah.
The paint scheme was always the coolest. I mean, yeah, it has problems, but what doesn't? Don't look at the speedometer. That's whatever.
Yeah, it's better than mine. Mine still says I'm doing 45. And I'm not in the car.
Say this. Are you happy?
Yes.
No. Say that to me.
Are you happy?
Thank you. I am happy. I'm a happy person. I'm happy with my life. I'm happy when things go to my life. I'm happy with what's her name? Yes, I'm happy with Melissa. I am. Come on. You're good. Yeah, you're nice. Oh, that's tight.
It's really bad.
Well, if you break down, let me know. I'll come back.
Will do. I should be alright.
How's your... Do you need gas, maybe?
No. It always shows that.
So you're like mine. Mine
Yeah.
sits at E.
So, there we go. That's reverse.
That's awesome.
The mirror does the fun stuff when you're driving around.
Can't tell it what's the hell's going on because it's bouncing all over the place.
Precisely. And the parking brake, you can set it, put it back down, and think it's off, and it'll still be on.
Nice.
So that's really fun.
Do you want me to watch the GPS on speed, or you should be good?
I don't care.
I didn't see any popo out there. Oh, wow. That's a get up and go.
It's not horrible. So this is where it's really bad. So fourth gear's supposed to be, or third gear's supposed to be down.
Right.
It's to the side. It's right next to second.
Right next. What the?
The guy that rebuilt it before me put it in the wrong spot. And I don't quite know how.
Are you going to eventually probably rebuild it?
Yeah. We're going to do 911 gearing in it. Yep, that's brakes the first time. Second pump's a little better.
That ain't too... Whoa! Hell yeah! That scared me. That was fun.
Right?
I've always wanted to try to drift, and I never could do it. I'm always scared of rolling.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that was third. This thing's such a blast.
It cruises really nice.
It drives pretty good.
Now I want one.
Right? Well, you know, the steering is...
It wants to move. If you want to move it, it'll move.
It'll move for having 80 horsepower. It's not bad. There's a little loose stuff. It's fine.
What loose stuff? I don't feel it. Honestly, Alan found a good deal for you. This is fucking awesome. This is nice.
This thing's fun.
They got the random jaywalkers.
Yeah, oh, they got that stupid crossing right here.
Oh, yeah. So is this straight piped?
No.
No?
This has a muffler.
Okay. I was going to say, it sounds nice and loud, so.
It's stock, but I'm pretty sure all the baffling's gone in it.
Yeah, you know how it is. There's no RPM, so.
Right? I'm like, mine doesn't have a tachometer either.
Don't believe the speedometer. You're going like 35, 40-ish.
That was my assumption.
Honestly, this is why I bought it. It's a nice truck. It rides pretty nice.
Yeah. Like,
The bumps you're going to hate here in a minute on this road, but hey, it's fun.